Good morning from Sequoia National Forest. It is day 19. Donnie and I are headed out for like 6-7 hours of hiking today. Gonna go see some redwoods. This is actually a dream place of mine. This is the one national park I've wanted to visit. Now keep in mind there is a distinction between the Sequoia National Forest and the national park. We're going to the forest today. We're going to the park tomorrow on a huge hike. But I'm really looking forward to it. Really excited to see some redwoods. So here we go. Today was actually kind of crazy. We came back from Sequoia National Forest, made some lunch, and then Donnie and I decided to take 2 noodles apiece down the river right next to our campground. Little did we know there was class 3 rapids on that river, and we got thrashed around for about 3 hours before deciding to get out of the river and walk back. But still a great time nonetheless. A little sore, but looking so forward to tomorrow. We've got a crazy hike on Alta Peak in Sequoia National Park. Really looking forward to it. And we're just making dinner now, enjoying the rest of our night. And that's it for now. After a pretty decent trip this morning, we finally made it to Sequoia, and it is so beautiful here. Going on a 13.5-mile hike to the top of Alta Peak. Really excited. So here we go. So far about 5 miles of straight uphill dirt and rocks. Donnie and I are stopped now because we just could not keep going. We're going to that peak right up there though. This has been unbelievably difficult, but the view is most certainly going to be worth it. So close, Donnie. Donnie and I just full set of Alta Peak. Holy shit, Sequoia is so gnarly. And this view is just incredible. Look at that. It's just, Donnie wanted me to mention that when we were just climbing these rocks to get up here, the can of bear spray we had, it shot off my bag and sprayed up through the rocks right into my face. And it's honestly still burning.
That was the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. No, hands down, seriously.
How you feel though? How you feel though?
I feel like a piece of bird poop. Just laying on a rock.
We're at a little over 11,000 feet right now. And we had about a 5,000 to 6,000 foot increase in altitude. So pretty gnarly, but I'm gonna put this down because I'm a little bit shaky. And I think once we get into the forest on the way back, I'm gonna do a sequence. But we made it. Let's go. So instead of a direct 3.5-hour trip back to our campground, Donnie and I stopped at this pizza joint. Donnie, what kind of pizza did you get?
I got mushroom and jalapeno.
And why'd that happen, Donnie?
I panicked. The last minute, the lady was like giving me a really dirty look, and I just saw 2 vegetables, and I was like, okay, sure. And let's hope it's good.
I got plain. Good morning, day 21. It's about 7 o'clock. Donnie and I are shipping out on an 11-hour driving day up to Crater Lake. It's kind of nice and relaxing after yesterday. Put this Sequoia trip. So that's really it. Today we're driving. Vlog a little bit, but that's all we have planned for day 21. So here we go. So we are officially halfway up the state of California, and we're making our first stop ever at an In-N-Out burger. Let's hope it's real freaking good. Donnie still didn't get In-N-Out though.
I've had it before.
Not all of us can be as cultured as Donato. So after a long trip today, we made it to Crater Lake finally, and my God, is it beautiful. Good morning, day 22. Donnie and I woke up and had the quickest breakfast we've had yet, because we got to get in the car and at least do something, because these mozzies are absolutely terrible. We woke up, probably have like 50 mosquito bites a piece already. So I think we're gonna run to the general store, pick up more bug spray, and then it's off to Crater Lake for the day after that. We have arrived in Crater Lake, drove past it a few times on the way up here, and it's pretty friggin' awesome. So now we're taking a quick 1.5 mile hike up to a really sick vantage point.
Puoi trovarla qua nel mezzo del nulla, quindi Cristiano.
Donato.
Leave it to Donato, halfway up this trailhead, to start talking Italian to some guy just out of nowhere. He just stops dead in his tracks. He goes, So we got to the bottom. It's actually pretty crazy. We're around the corner. There's like a ton of people. Cool cliff jumping spot. So I think Donnie's gonna full send it here.
Give me a countdown.
3, 2, 7. Attaboy, Donnie. Good send, brother.
That was scary. Definitely the highest cliff I've ever jumped off of.
So we actually had quite an amazing and tiring rest of the day. We hung out and we cliff jumped for a little bit. Then Donnie and I hiked back up 1.5 miles out of the crater. Came back, and you can tell that he's a little bit tired because he passed right out in the tent. I'll go show you. Go to sleep, go to sleep, little Donnie. We are driving about 8.5 hours up to Olympic. Probably around like 8 or 9, so I think we're both gonna get naps in right now, so that way we can drive all the way through the night, and then probably send a pretty cool hike tomorrow. Donnie and I blasted out another really good overnight drive. We got to Olympic in great time, got a sweet campground right by the lake, and I think we're just gonna hang out here for the day. Maybe go to the supermarket and stuff, but this place is beautiful. It looks like freaking Narnia or something. Good morning, day 24. We're in Port Angeles, Washington, and just hanging out right now with this awesome view at a coffee shop. It's crazy here. Donnie's doing some work. I'm working on some editing, and I think we're going on a hike later today.